My name's Pam Schrader, and I live in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, and I am a retired flight attendant. I had a serious automobile accident over 40 years ago. I broke everything but my arms and my neck. And to this date, I've had 46 surgeries total. When I had my accident, they wanted to amputate my leg. Then they kept it, but said I needed to have a fusion in the ankle. And I knew that I would lose my couple inches from that, and I wanted to continue my career as a flight attendant. So I said, no fusion. I will wait for medical technology to catch up. 24 years later, when that ankle collapsed, I was there for the first generation prosthesis of an ankle replacement. I've had 2 spinal surgeries. I've had 2 knee replacements, 2 ankle replacements. So I've had a lot of experience with orthopedics, and I'm very proud of what the technology and the researchers and people do. I pray that there are people and researchers that will be able to help the advancement with spinal surgery, with patients that have been paralyzed, leg lengthening. I think these are things that is being worked on currently, but I think within the future, as I waited for an ankle replacement, I did see it in my lifetime. So I'm sure at the speed of technology that the researchers and orthopedic surgeons are doing, we're going to advance very quickly with many new things to come.